Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, the Ethereum chart has started to develop some movement finally and some upside momentum together with Bitcoin catching up a little bit. Well, not really catching up, but at least it's running, I think, at the same pace now, which is really good. Ideally, it stretches a bit higher. We haven't quite reached my target area yet, but it's going in the right direction. You may remember it, $3,818 plus would be my ideal target area here for this fifth wave within the C wave, within the larger B wave. I would really like to see the price get to that 3,818 level, ideally even higher. But that's sort of my first key target. I shared with you in the earlier video today that based on the microstructure, the microstructure targets do not really align with the target for the C wave within the B wave. But I think that's sorted now because the third wave is extending. So that's okay. And looking at the looking at the structure here, obviously for anybody who's new on the channel, the idea is that this is an A, B, C structure. The higher the B wave, the better, because this A wave was very, very low. And I'm getting a bit concerned that obviously when we break down, essentially, if it happens, that would be at the moment, it's at least at the moment what the market is telling me, that we're moving up most likely in an ABC structure. So I'm watching for a C wave down, still to happen. A wave down happened, B wave up, C wave down. But the more space the C wave has, the more favorable for the overall bullish scenario. Because what should really be avoided in the overall bullish thesis of this chart is that the 50% fib level breaks. So we want the 2,977 level hold. Okay, so a break below that level wouldn't be really constructive to support the overall bullish thesis on the chart. So that's why I'm watching that level very, very closely. And therefore, I highlighted to you that a high B wave is preferred. Now, if we say the A wave bottomed here on the 20th of March, then there are standard resistance levels for the B wave, and we have already reached now the 61.8 fib level. Expect a bit of resistance there. It's at 3,665. I think that third wave that's currently moving here within the C wave could finish there. I mean, I don't want to guess when it finishes because it's just a level to watch and just a level where we could bounce from, because we have previous resistance there structurally, but it's also a key fib level. And then a break above it can send us to the 78.6 retracement at 3,844. And that's also where that previous swing high was in March this year, and also where that 100% extension target is. So that's an area to watch, but maybe only in the fifth wave. We'll see. The higher the third wave goes, the better actually. Okay, better. So I would actually hope it extends a bit further, because the longer the third wave goes, the higher the fifth wave, the higher consequently the B wave, and the more space the C wave will have if we come down. Okay, so at the moment, everything's going according to script. I added also a micro support area for wave 4 in C of B. This wave C could reach the support zone between 3,554 and 3,425. But I'm not telling you this fourth wave pullback has started yet, so I would have to move the support zone together with the price a little bit higher. If the price goes higher, which at the moment I would expect because there's no top signal in place in wave 3. But it's just to understand, okay, if the price comes down now, what's the support area that should really hold to keep the upside momentum intact? And that is 3,425. A break below that level would confirm a break of structure. And we would probably then start the C wave to the downside. If we started from here, I wouldn't be very happy because I wouldn't be amused, because the C wave would be a little bit too short, okay, or it wouldn't have enough space. I would get concerned it might break below support. So ideally we stretch a little higher. That's also what I'm watching for Bitcoin, another 4-5 pattern, and then the target zone is defined. That's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.